Wow. Oh, brother. That's why he's awesome. Do a landing, a crash. Let's see if it's... Oh, no. I'll get the weeds off. Another reason why the Badius V3 like breakthrough plane for us is because it survived crashes for us. And the hat came off on the battery. I got it. Ugh. The crash was so bad, it broke the strongest tape that we have. It was 300 feet up in the air, and I couldn't see and I could not see where it is because my cow was hanging too far down, and it is over there with my brother on it. He's wearing it, and it fell from 1,000 feet into the stuck. And then.
Oh no. Watch out. Wow.
Oh, brother. Hello, our station is RCDOX, and this is our Badius. Badius #1. It was a plane of our dreams that we wanted to fly on. And the staff just went up here because we crashed it into the asphalt, and we got it stuck in a tree, and the elevator got broken, so we added foam. And it's our ACCIPITER. My dad learned on this plane. We crashed this plane like more than 100. And the motor that's broken up, what ultimately failed was the carriage holding the turtles inside. This is the Badius, and what caused the crash was the broken carriage, and when we moved it, only the turtles moved, not the control surfaces. So you can see in here that it's all broken up, and the carriage is kind of moving. Because the carriage moved, but not your thingamabob. When my dad had trouble with that, it sort of like right into the asphalt, and it broke our motor. The motor is the same as the Piper, and it costs $5 straight plate. You can get the Badius motor at a night road plane just under the Piper's part. Instead of replacing this motor, we're going to put a new motor in. We're thinking of putting it on the Grayson Hobby Micro Jet. Because it can have a small prop on it. Because this Badius is overly awesome, we're going to try some new things on it. Hello, our station is RCDOX, and this is the ACCIPITER Badius V3. And we took off that motor and put a micro jet on because we wanted to see what it would be like in the future about a Badius having not its motor, but a micro jet. We're afraid that this might have too much torque. The center of gravity is a little too far back, even though we have all these things up here. The back's still the most heaviest. If I hold like this, wham. Maiden flight of Badius #1, not maiden flight. Maiden flight with the micro jet though. Our first micro jet landing, we crashed it was kind of a mixture of landing and crash, and we broke half the propeller. On the other Badius motor, those propellers like last and last and last. They don't even get electro. They sometimes get a little crack in the sides, but otherwise don't even lose a half. It was a lot of fun flying our micro jet on the Badius because it has a lot of power, but a lot of torque. With all the torque on the micro jet and this little tiny rudder, we are going to add on to this because it will like go torquing over our